R for React and N for Node.js. That's what merge stack is all. And second thing is the mean stack. Same thing. Same M for MongoDB, E for Express, N for Node.js. But here A stands for Angular and the front. That's what mean stack is all. Okay, instead of choosing a Facebook product for the front end, if you are choosing a Google product for the front end, then that is the beauty of mean stack. If you are clear about the mean stack, it just goes clear mean in your object. And whenever you are talking about the merge stack, instead of choosing a React and Angular, if you are choosing a Vue.js for the front end, then that is said to be a merge stack. If you are clear about a merge stack, it just goes clear merge in your object. Here, lamp stack is something interesting, guys. Let me show you the lamp stack right now. Okay. Yeah. So, today we have I've shown you one electrical project. Do you remember? Okay. Do you remember some electrical project which I did? So, in the electrical project, we have that home appliances, that Raspberry Pi hardware. So here we have home appliances, transformers and signal conditioning circuits, and here we have a Raspberry Pi. What is the thing is, this Raspberry Pi is a Linux-based operating system. Since it is a Linux-based operating system, we can create a web application by using a stack called lamp stack. Guys, we are hearing the lamp stack for the first time, it just goes empty during the first time. So in the lamp stack, L for Linux, A for Apache Web Server, M for MySQL, and actually L for Linux, Apache Web Server, MySQL, M for MySQL for database, and PHP or Python or Perl for. That is what lamp stack is all. If you are clear about the lamp stack, guys, just goes clear lamp. Okay, are you clear about the lamp stack? If you are clear about the lamp stack, you just goes clear lamp. That's great. Akila, we clear Anil, Shruti, and Devashish, and Uday, Madhumati. That's great, guys. Avarati, and Gauri, and Jagga, Suresh, Varka. That's great. Thank you so much for all this. So lamp stack is completely from the Linux side, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And finally, we have Burn stack. Burn stack is very similar to the merge stack. Instead of choosing a MongoDB for database, if you are choosing a PostgreSQL for database, then that is a Burn stack. PostgreSQL, React, Express, Abrati Sharma, amazing session. Thank you so much. And Narlaka Karthik, I have purchased and joined in the community. That's awesome, Karthik. Congratulations. Harika, you are not calling my name. Sorry. Chats are really rushing. Yeah. So that is what the point is. Guys, are you guys got a very good clarity? Are you guys are satisfied on the clarity session, guys? If you are satisfied on the clarity session, just post satisfied Sanjay. Lovely session, Sanjay. Yeah, it's mesmerizing. Wow. Thank you. So in this few hours of session, we guys have discussed about the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, framework, libraries, Angular, React, Vue, SASRLess, Flexbox and CSS, and backend like Node.js, Express, Flash, Django, PHP, Java, and database like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, MySQL, API interaction, testing like Jest and Mocha, deployment containers like Docker, Heroku, Vercel, AWS, Azure, and version control like Git and GitHub, state management like Context API, Redux, and choosing a stack like merge stack, merge deep stack, merge stack, lamp stack, and merge stack. These can all we have explored, and since we have still more time to left, but these kind of additional values is being covered inside the courses, guys. If you have enrolled, we can just get into it. Sanjay Dada, thank you so much for this amazing opportunity, Sanjay. That's great. Satisfied and it's very useful session. Satisfied, Sanjay. Lovely session, amazing session, and it was lovely session, Sanjay. And the way of explaining things is awesome, Sanjay. Wow, I'm feeling very, very happy about the love which you are sharing, guys. All the love and comments which is really giving me a great energy. Okay, all the energy which I'm still getting, it's all because of you. Thank you so much for all the comments which you are giving the live chat. Thank you. So, now, shall we finish it off the hands-on part which we have left in between? So, up to now, we guys have downloaded and installed the Visual Studio Code, and we have created all these directories like this on the left hand side, and we have created index.html, styles.css, and script.js. This is all we have done right now. And the people who are having using a mobile phone like that CodePen.io, or people who are using a VS Code, just remember, while talking about HTML, it's gonna be helpful for creating a structure for the website that we already know, right? So to write the basic code is being said to be like boilerplate code. So people used to write by their own, like they will write like HTML, open tag, HTML, like people used to write it. But instead of doing that, you can able to easily do it by typing exclamation and hit it. Okay, so you can just go to index.html and you can just type exclamation and you can hit enter. Where all the basic code will be created. I don't know why it is not creating right now, but whenever you are typing index.html, in the index.html, if you are typing exclamation and you are hitting enter, all the basic code will be created by itself. Doing some job here. Where it is, we have created that directory, right? The project directory, that is personal website demo. Just going to open this in the VS Code. To do that, click show more option and open with code. Yes, really funny. Yeah, not working. It's because of the process, I think so. So what you guys do is just open your index.html and hit enter, exclamation and type hit enter. I don't know why. Okay, if that's covered, we can discuss later. Yeah, not working. Should have worked right now, right? So yeah, so what it will be doing is index.html, which is where we are going to start creating a program. So that boilerplate code which is responsible for making the basic code structure of your HTML code. So that is going to be done in this index.html. And whenever you wanted to see the output, you can see the output in a two-way. So for an example, if I am writing a message like hello world, so if you wanted to see the output, you can right click index.html and there is an option called copy the path. Okay, just copy the path and then open your browser. Okay, and then paste your directory which you have copied and then you can hit enter. Oh my god, counter hits reset. Okay, I have launched this software at 8 p.m. So I think 1 hour, 55 minutes were left, I think so. So 30 plus 40 minutes were left, I think so. So guys, so people who haven't made the decision still, so this is the right time to make the decision. So people who haven't made the decision, just click the link and register for the internship if you really want all the recordings and material and source code and everything. So 45 minutes were left to enroll for the 3-month internship. People who haven't made the decision, you can make the decision. So when I type index.html, you'll be getting an output like hello world like this. And all remember, just open your VS Code and go to file and click auto save option. Okay, once you have enabled an auto save, then so that whenever you are writing a code, it will be automatically generated, automatically saved. So whenever I'm changing like hello world and welcome to this session, so whenever I'm typing it, and what you can do is you can just open your browser and you can hit refresh. Be updated. This is what you guys have done. Okay. So are you guys all satisfied up to now? If you are really satisfied up to now, you just post satisfied Sanjay in live chat. And now my team will be giving you the free community link in the live chat. Okay, all free participants. No, not for the paid participants, it's only for the free participants. All free participants, you just wanted to join in this community right now. Okay. So once you have joined inside this community, so there is a task section which is out there. So go to the task and whatever the thing which are completed up to now, just take a screenshot and please submit your assignments here. Okay, my team will be giving you that community link in the live chat. Wait a minute, some people are submitting. Yes, tab button is working, NOH branch is here. Tab button is working before exclamatory works well. Yes, now it's working guys. Yeah, putting in exclamatory and hitting enter, now it's working. So this is what the boilerplate code that we'll be covering very soon on the upcoming part, but yeah, this is what is all. Okay. So what the thing is, for the thing. So I hope you have done up to now. So whatever the thing which I have to now, which you have done up to now, especially installing all the extensions and everything, just take a screenshot and please upload in the community like this. And if you have got the community link, you just post yes Sanjay Nilanchan, just click the link and join the community. But for the paid participants, you will have a separate community like this. Okay? So every day, whatever the thing which you are learning, you will be doing it right here. Okay? So all the 30 days, every task is fixed. Now, before going further, I would like to ask you a question. We have directly downloaded the software, we have installed it, and we have created some hazard folders, etc. We have did that. And how many of people are really having a doubt? What we are heading towards? What we are doing, Sanjay? What the project we are doing? How many of you are really having such type of doubts? If you are really having such type of doubts, then post me Sanjay Nilanchan. And I would like to ask you another question. How many of you people really have a personal website? Because whenever you apply for this kind of job role, you need a personal website to showcase your skills. If you really have that, you just post yes Sanjay Nilanchan, here you just post no Sanjay Nilanchan. So we are going to create a personal website for a real use case, guys. Let me show. Ta-da! This is what the website we are going to create. And you can see here the left hand side, this is the logo Sanjay Kumar AP. And the right hand side we have a home section, contact me, and download resume button, and some more simple. I'll show you that what's that. And here you can see a person's face. And hello Sanjay. And whatever the thing which we are typing, doing a typing animation. And here we have did a paragraph descriptive of mine. And when I'm scrolling, my skills like web development, graphic design, photography, everything which we have given as like style and bouncing. And when I'm scrolling, instead of just telling like I know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we have collected as like a logo and we have moved that from right to the left. So do you love this, guys? If you really love this, you just post love this Sanjay Nilanchan. And also, I hope you all remember that Apple website we have shown to showcase the dynamic website. Same thing, we are incorporated in this personal website itself so that we are indirectly showcasing the skills which we have. Let me do it for you. Let me show that first. Have you noticed it, guys? When I'm scrolling, that progress bar is getting appeared. This animation is evergreen. It's going to be keep on animating inside. But that animation, no, that progress bar animation, is going to be appeared when I am scrolling. Show that again, please. Did you notice it? If you have noticed it, you just go to yes Sanjay Nilanchan. So this also we have incorporated, so we are directly showcasing the skills which we have to the recruiters. And my project section, because of course, whenever you are doing or building a personal website, you will showcase your skills, the project's work which you have done. So this is the project. So whenever people clicking promo, one pop-up is going to be there. In that pop-up, here it's going to have a project title, and here we're going to have a short project overview, and project GitHub link, and the right hand side project screenshot.
समझ जाता है यार अच्छी का याद हो गया यार
Feel excited to build this? Just go excited for this project also. We have done it. And when I'm scrolling, this is the project details. And in the right hand side, we have done the project meaning. This is what one of the things. And second thing is the project one title, project two, and this is the project three. And when I'm scrolling, we have done the contact me form. And whenever I'm hovering, you can see that color shifting animation we have done this. And contact information, email and LinkedIn. So whenever I'm clicking an email, instead of just showing an email address, it's going to automatically open the email pop-up, and it's going to be putting your email address there as a new address, and it's going to be right there, asking you to write an email like this. And the LinkedIn link, of course, it's going to be everything. And the footer section. And in this website, at the top, you have kept the symbol. So whenever I'm clicking it, the whole website which will be changing as a task.
कब खाएंगे तो YouTube में देखता है मैं
You all excited to build this? You all excited to build this? Just excited, Sanjay. And also, how many of you people really want this complete 30 days progress like this? Every day, like HTML, CSS, responsive design, JavaScript, DOM, website front-end, advanced Java, CSS, modern JavaScript, React, statement, backend, database integration like authentication for website, full stack web development, application, advanced backend techniques, and introduction to testing, development like deployment, Docker, and CI/CD pipelines and those. Introduction to Angular and the Vue and React and Python-based web application, and planning and designing an application, launching your application, security best practices, scalable applications, building your portfolio, freelancing, resume building, everything which is being covered. Really want all these coders. That 3-month online internship is waiting for you. People who haven't made the decision, take the decision right now. And also, now I would like to give you the second meeting, the key points on the that my team will be sharing down to you the live chat right now. Please download your second. So after that, we are going to jump on to the something like and also I'm going to talk about the free course. Are you all excited to get your free course, guys? If you are excited to get your free course, you just was excited for your live chat. Another important. Now the time is 8:55. You just tell me how was your second hour of your experience.
I will
really love that. Okay, you guys have got the
Devan
family and you guys have made the fundamental things. So if you are really thinking the second hour is also good, too good, amazing, loved it. That's awesome, guys. Thank you. Best ever lecture. Wow. That's great, guys. Thank you so much. And also my team have shared the second material for you. Please note down. So now for the paid participants, I have a bonus. But other than that, guys, free participants don't think like Sanjay, you are talking about this. No, I will have an equal love towards the paid participants as well as the free participants. But just because they have paid a money, they have invested some money. I wanted to give them bonus. That's why I'm giving the people that kind of opportunity, that kind of value, that kind of bonus value. Okay? Even that I have an equal love on the free and the paid participants. That's why even we are conducting 3 days free participants. So what the social those people who have enrolled for the payment on this contact the right back. You will have this private social media access for free, where you can complete all the tasks which you are given here, and whatever the doubts you are getting in this community access you'll be getting the next day. So that's what this private community is given absolutely proud. And apart from that, I wanted you guys to compare yourself with your age and the start. So if your age is 25, you should have been LPA. If your age is 27, you should have been LPA. This is the career comparison graph being shared by the career coaches. So even through a company or even as a freelancer or a combination of both, you should start earning the money a lot. So if you are really satisfied that, you just go yes, I just you are like chat yes, you just go yes. Why? Because how many of you people, because now we are going to do the website and all and web application and all. How many of you people interested on learning freelance? If you are interested in freelancing, guys, just go yes, okay, because in our company, we are going to conduct freelancing lectures. So how to do something and how to get your clients and how to do a freelancing and how to get your earning a second source of income. That's what the freelancing lecture we are going to conduct. This is completely for free for the people who have enrolled for the 3-month internship. And apart from that, whenever you are applying for the job, you need to prepare your resume, because a lot of people are creating one resume and applying for all the job and waiting for an interview call. Guys, you won't get an interview call if you are creating only one resume. For every job role, you need to create an individual resume based on the ATS tool and based on the JD job description. That's what we are going to build and conduct a live session on resume building, because people who have a career gap, you need to use it. People who are switching from one department to another, non-IT or BPO department into the full stack, you need to use a different resume. That's what resume building live session is also going to be conducted. That's also going to be free for the people who are interested in agriculture. And finance. How many of people are interested on investing, guys? If you are interested in finance, just go interested in finance. So how to invest in which is safer and which is riskier? What is the difference between like stock market, mutual funds, and gold bonds and ETFs? Because in our community, what is the community is not only to teach you the full stack. It will teach you the full stack. It will teach you the AI and data science, which every people should understand, especially AI. It will teach you the soft skills as well. That's why finance lives also we are going to conduct. This live is also going to be absolutely free for the people who are enrolled for this live. And also we are going to give you the lectures on goals, how to set your goals effectively to achieve bigger. Because people who are having a year gap and all, people get demotivated and they used to apply for the BPO kind of job roles. So mindset section, guys, just post ready and right. Or you just post RTL in your life, ready to learn. Because mindset is, again I tell you, mindset is more important than that. So just few minutes, just 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to talk about mindset. Okay? Yes, Sanjay Dada, ready to learn, ready to learn. And for all the people who are all interested to learn mindset. So now, in that moment, some people might be like, Sanjay, why are you to learn the mindset and all? Give me an adolescent, I can leave, guys, go beyond that mindset. Sorry, sorry. Mindset is more important than anything. So, at this moment, I would like to ask you one question. How many of you people, if I'm asking you a question like, what is your end-to-end dream? If your end-to-end dream is to get a job in MNC, just post me Sanjay. For you people, I would like to tell you, don't have your end-to-end goal as to get the job in MNC. No. Because you just imagine if you have got the job in Intel, you might think like, wow, I got the job in Intel, my life is settled. Likewise, you be in the mindset. But do you know one thing? You can't count down to 3 seconds. The last and final 32, I think last more than 32 minutes. People who haven't made the decision, guys, 32 minutes are left to enroll for the exam. Make the decision before the time ends. So, by talking about that, if you are getting the job in Intel, it feels like my life is settled. But you know one thing? Past month, Intel alone, they are laid off 15,000 people. And with the Intel, Cisco, IBM and Apple, they are laid off 27,000 people. Is it really shocking for you? If it is really shocking, you just post yes and get like. So getting a job, you don't think like your life will be settled. No. Actually, that's why then just having a mindset like if I got the job, my life will be settled. No. Instead of thinking like that, always the first point of the mindset which I want to say, always think big. Whatever you really want in your life, it might be the job, it might be the lifestyle you want to live. It can be anything, but think big. Okay? So instead of dreaming like I want to get a job in a bigger company, only as a dream. You should have a dream like I want to achieve a financial freedom. I want to make a crores of revenue. So that's what should be your goal. I want to retire at 45. That's what you need to do. Okay? And whenever I'm asking the people to reach there, some people will be like, Sanjay, I am from poor family, I have arrears, I have career gap, I don't have a job, how can I dream big? Right? Your past is not equal to the future. Right now you might be poor, right now you might be having arrears, career gap, you might not couldn't be. But it's not equal to the future. Okay? So don't constrain yourself on your dream, always dream big. Guys, is it really making sense? If it is really making sense, it doesn't make sense. Because in our company, we have one of my colleagues, Vivek's brother friend. He used to have 3 areas in his college. Now he is running a company which is making crores of revenue. So don't constrain your dreams based on your current situation or your past. Always think big. And final point. We will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive thoughts. As a human being, we all have a problem, but how we are really approaching those problems is very, very important. For example, whenever we are thinking about the problem, we used to think in this term like, I don't have job, I don't have enough money, I'm from a poor family, I don't have any skills, I don't have own house, I don't have own car, I don't have own bike, I'm not looking good, I don't have good family, I'm not in good health condition, I don't have good trustworthy friends, and I don't have good communication skills, I'm not confident enough, I'm really struggling a lot. Likewise, people used to run those types of thoughts. If you are also used to run such type of thoughts, just post yes Sanjay is Rachad or me Sanjay is Rachad. Or you also guys are used to run such type of thoughts. If you are really running this kind of thoughts, you just post yes Sanjay is Rachad. For you people, I would like to tell you something. Just do a little point to change your life. Instead of thinking on that way, like I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money. Because based on the code, you will plan positive thoughts and you will achieve positive results. Because your mind is like a land create so much crore of health insurance for my family. And I want to own this many crores of luxury house. I want to own this many luxury cars. I really want to own this many luxury bikes. And I want to create 20 sources of income. And I want to make a lot of income as a passive income. And I've retired at 45. And I got, my technical skills are really improving a lot. I'm feeling like I'm an man. And I've created a lot of end-to-end products. I've got some patents. My communication skills are really improving a lot day by day. I mastered 5+ languages. And all the people around me, they really love me. They really love to be my friends of mine. And my confidence level is really boosted. And I really feel very smart and handsome. You know? So, in a simple statement, if I want to finish this off with myself, don't focus on what you really focus on what you really Guys, do you love this mindset? Do you love this code actually? Don't focus on what you really don't want, focus on what you really want. Because even, as a human being, we all talk or we all think about what things we don't like. Like, I don't like this person, I don't like this influencer, I don't like this YouTube channel, I don't like this instructor, I don't like this faculty, I don't like that environment. So, whenever people are focusing on the things you don't like, because if you don't like Sanjay's session, you should have left the session at that time. Do you got my point? But there is no one in the world who will hate my methodology. But whenever even if you are watching this YouTube video, don't take a time to spend and don't write a message like I don't like you, you are very bad. Don't do that. Okay, if you don't like something, focus on what you really want. So even the mindset coaches like Bob Proctor, Brian Tracy, even the group, like a lot of people used to tell what quote is wrong. Whenever you are focusing on the things which you don't like, which you don't want, something like that, okay, which you don't like and which you don't want or you hate about, just think in terms like, it is equal to drinking poison yourself and expecting others to love. Okay, do you love this quote, guys? If you really love this quote, just love this subject. Just give it a try. Whenever you don't like something, which is, don't focus on that, it is equal to drinking poison yourself and expecting others to love. So, I hope you understood the value which we are providing, guys, because you just think about it, why, for free, why should we spend such time or such time to deliver this kind of mindset for the free party? So try to understand our intention. Our intention is to deliver the life-changing moment for every people who are out there. Life-changing moment is not just getting a job. Getting a job is very, very smallest goal ever. So apart from that, you should achieve a financial freedom. You should live a happy life. You should do whatever you really wanted to do. Live comfortable. That's what life-changing moment. That is why we are providing this kind of mindset like this for you guys. And if you really love this great mindset session, just post love this and like this kind of mindset, you just think about it, my mindset is good. Think about 20 years of productivity companies founders mindset session. Yes, Devarajan sir is going to be joining you in a one mindset session. He will give you some PDF to take a print out and he will make you to write some things and goals and everything. He is going to be your mindset coach on our community. So this kind of mindset session we are going to conduct. This mindset session is also free for the people who are enrolled for the membership also. And apart from that, so for the people who have enrolled for the intention, you will have the bonus live session. At some Saturday, we are going to conduct some live session where you will get something new value. Guys, at this moment I wanted to review you guys. How many of you people are excited to build a generative AI based product? Because first I will show you the product which we have on the generative AI. Then I'll show you what project we have done based on inspired ourselves. Okay? So I have already told you we have a growth tool. Right? So in this Dada. Thank you so much. A lot of people are calling me a Dada and brother. Thank you for all the people who are sharing your love. Thank you. So, just think about it. Whenever you want to give a customer support, this is the conversational AI chatbot. And you can see, this is what the question bank which we have created in a document. Okay, question, answer, question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. So likewise, we have created one document. So now I am going to copy this document. And I am going into my source code tool and I am going to give this document URL and click get it. So the generative AI behind it, it will learn from the document which we have created. Is it amazing? Guys, now get the counter reading part. I think 20 minutes were left, guys. People who wanted to make the decision, the last and final chance, guys. People who haven't made the decision, make the decision before the timer ends. Okay. So, when we have given this document as an input, the generative AI behind it will learn from the document. You can see it got trained. And now, whenever people are typing a message from the anything like Instagram or something, you can integrate this chatbot. Now, whenever I'm writing a message, like what is the validity of the transaction, so likewise, if I'm asking such type of question, okay, it will automatically already got the learn and tada, will give the automatically reply like this. Do you love this, guys? If you really love this, you just post love this under your life. Okay? The internship validity is lifetime. You can access this private community and get resources easily. Do you love this? And even you can give a feedback like negative feedback or positive feedback. Make sure it is right answer or wrong answer. Inspired on this workflow tool. PG does have with the generative AI.
Oh, I fell in love with a girl with a brother.
It also has this is one of the projects we are going to do in this this kind of bonus like bonus that is also so now all the things which I talked about up to now, everything I just rupees of 999 with the lifetime validity. 19 minutes were left to go. If that 19 minutes is zero, price will be changing into 9,008. Now, are you guys really excited to get this framework? Shall we cover that part right now? If you are ready, just post ready, continue right now. Yelto Shivani, done with the payment, congratulations. Kolapalli, awesome sunset. And Austin, Madhumati, awesome. And Soham, awesome.